Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of American Airlines app. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we click on American Airlines and you will enter. In this page we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of American Airlines. And then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again, so please don't forget to purchase.